Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Tuesday, 15th December 2020. It is our unit number 9. Today we will start unit number 9. Name of chapter is Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. What is mean by coordinate geometry? Look at the book, page number 168. Coordinate geometry. Before telling you about the coordinate geometry, I will tell you the plane geometry. The study of geometrical shapes in a plane is called plane geometry. Plane geometry or simple geometry. The study of geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes means all the shapes which make or constructed with the help of geometrical instruments are known as geometrical shapes. Understood? For example, triangle, rectangle, square, circle, line, all these shapes are known as geometrical shapes. And the study about these shapes in a plane mean this is a plane, on a plane surface is called plane geometry. Understood? वो स्टडी ज्योमेट्री की वो स्टडी जिसमें कि हम सिंपल ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लेन ज्योमेट्री कहते हैं. जैसे कि हम ट्रायंगल बनाते हैं, रेक्टेंगल बनाते हैं या स्क्वायर बनाते हैं और इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को देखते हैं, उनकी क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, क्या उनकी क्वालिटीज़ हैं, कैसे उनके एंगल्स कितने किस मतलब मेजरमेंट के होते हैं, उनकी लाइंस, उनकी साइड्स, हर शेप की साइड्स कितनी होती हैं, उनकी कैसी सरफेस होती है, उनका एंगल इन्वॉल्व जो होता है वो कितने का होता है और उनकी क्या क्या टाइप्स हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं हम प्लेन ज्योमेट्री में स्टडी करते हैं. तो इस ब्रांच ऑफ स्टडी को जो हम कहेंगे प्लेन ज्योमेट्री. अंडरस्टूड? ज्योमेट्री की इस ब्रांच को हम कहते हैं प्लेन ज्योमेट्री. नाउ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. Now coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the study of geometrical shapes in the Cartesian plane. It means coordinate geometry is the study of geometrical shapes. It is also the study of geometrical shapes. But difference is this: it is the study of geometrical shapes in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane mean, look at the figure. This is a Cartesian plane. Its mean this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, you know about this x-axis. This line is known as x-axis and this is a y-axis. And where x-axis and y-axis meet to each other is known as origin. Origin O. This is the origin, intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis. Now this plane is converted into four parts. This is known as Cartesian plane. And if we construct the geometrical shapes in this Cartesian plane, means if we construct a triangle, a square, a rectangle, etc., any shape in this Cartesian plane, according to the fixed scale, okay, according to the fixed scale, and mention the points in the graph. बेटा आप लोगों ने ग्राफ पढ़ा होगा. ग्राफ में आपने एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस भी सीखा होगा. उसके अलावा आप वहाँ पर पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्केल लेना सीख चुके हैं. ठीक है ना? 7th क्लास में, 6th क्लास में कहीं आपने अगर ग्राफ सीखा हो तो आपको पता होगा कि हम पॉइंट्स कैसे लेते हैं. अगर हमारे पास 2 पॉइंट्स हैं जिसमें 2, 3, अगर ये चीज़ एक्स एक्सिस पर होगी, ये पहला पॉइंट एक्स है और दूसरा पॉइंट वाई के लिए, तो ये 2 पॉइंट हमने सपोज यहाँ हमने ले लिए. एक्स हमने ये 2 लिया, यहाँ तक 2 लिया, और वाई है हमारे पास ये 3, तो ये हो गया 2, 3 पॉइंट. ठीक है, एक पॉइंट ये ले लिया. दूसरा पॉइंट हमने ये 2 लिया x और 1 लिया y, एक पॉइंट हमने ये ले लिया। इसी तरह से x हमने ले लिया ये 6 और y ले लिया 1, तो एक पॉइंट हमारे पास ये आ गया। हमने इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके एक ट्रायंगल बना ली। So this triangle is in the Cartesian plane. The study of this triangle is known as coordinate geometry. Okay, understood? All these shapes are constructed according to this law. This is the Cartesian plane, and the shapes constructed in this Cartesian plane are known as geometrical shapes, and the study of these shapes in Cartesian plane is known as coordinate geometry. Understood? Question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Find the distance between pairs of points A. Part A is point A and B are given. Point A having two coordinates. X coordinate is 9 and Y coordinate is 2. Where point B having two coordinates, X coordinate 7 and Y coordinate is 2. First of all, we will write the names of coordinate. In point A, 9 and 2 are the points. X1, Y1 are the coordinates. X1 is 9, Y1 is 2. In point B, name of coordinates are X2 and Y2. X2 is 7 and Y2 is 2. Now we will write the formula for finding the distance of point A and points A and B. Distance formula is, as you know, x2 minus x1 whole square. First of all, we will write the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will put the values in this formula. X2 minus x1. X2 is 7 and x1 is 9. So we will write here 7 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1, means 2 minus 2 whole square. Now 7 minus 9 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2, 0 whole square. It is equals to 2 minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 and 0 is equals to 0. So only 4 under root AB distance is equals to under root 4, which is equals to 2 units. Units mean which unit is given, we will write here. If there is centimeter, meter, any unit used in the question, we will write here the unit. So I only write here 2 units. Now question number 1, part F. If A point, and there are 2 points A and B. A having coordinate x1 0, y1 0. B having coordinate x2 0 and y2 minus 5. Write the formula, distance formula, and put the values in this formula. We get x2 is 0 minus y2 is x2 is 0, x1 is also 0. So 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is minus 5 minus 0, y1 is 0. This is 0 plus only minus 5 whole square root. Now AB distance is equals to minus 5 whole square under root. This square will be cancelled by under root, and minus 5 is the minus 5 units is the distance of A and B. Now we will write the answer minus 5 units. बेटा अब मैं आपको क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क दोनों बता दूं। आज का क्लास वर्क जो है वो हमारा डेफिनेशंस जो आपको मैंने दी हैं, वीडियोस भेजी हैं, वो याद भी करनी है, लिखनी भी है, ठीक है। Definitions, coordinate geometry and सिंपल जो प्लेन ज्योमेट्री है। डेफिनेशंस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का पार्ट ए डी एफ, ये आपका हो गया एक्सरसाइज 9.1 का 9.1, ये आपका हो गया क्लास वर्क। और होमवर्क में आपने इसी क्वेश्चन 9.1 की एक्सरसाइज 9.1 का के रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स आपने करने हैं। क्वेश्चन 1 रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स, इसके रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स जो है ना, ये आपका होमवर्क है। ठीक है, ये आपने बेटा ज़रूर करना है, मुझे शो भी कराना है। Now in part number 6, a is -9, b is -4. It's mean point P having only a, which is -9, and Q having only b, which is -4. Its a coordinate or x2 coordinate is 0, y2 coordinate is -4. Its x coordinate is -9 and y coordinate is 0. So we will find the distance between PQ by formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is equals to x2 is 0 minus -9 is x1 plus y2 is -4 minus 0 is y1. So minus into minus plus 9 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 9 nines are 81 plus 4 fours are 16, and this minus will be changed into plus. It is equals to 97 under root. This is the distance between P and Q. So PQ distance is this. In part number 5, for point P, a is equals to under root 2 and b is 0. And for point Q, b is 1 and a is 0. So point A having coordinates under root 2 and 0, Q having coordinate 0 and 1. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now applying the formula, distance formula, x square minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will put the values. X2 is 0 here and x1 is minus under root 2. Minus is for formula, from formula, and under root 2 is the value of this. Plus 1 is y2 and minus y1 is 0. So we will get minus under root 2 whole square only and plus 1 whole square. Now minus will be changed into plus by taking its square, and this value root will be cancelled by. So we get here plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3 under root 3. So distance of PQ will be under root 3. Tuesday, 15th December 2020. Unit number 9. Topic is distance formula. Suppose there are 2 points P and Q, and we want to find the distance between these 2 points. So the distance between 2 points will be D, denoted as small d. This is the distance between P and Q, and we want to find the distance between these 2 points with a formula which is known as distance formula. So if point P having 2 coordinates, means the value of this point x coordinate is x1 and y coordinate is y1. It means it having two coordinates x and y. This is a first point, so we will write here x1 and y1. And this is the second point, we will write here x2 and y2. They are the coordinates of point Q and they are the coordinates of point P. It is first point, so we will write here, if it is first point, we will write here x1, y1, and is second point, x2, y2 are the coordinates of this point. Now, distance between these 2 points will be calculated by a formula, distance formula, which is d is equals to square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as distance formula. It means first of all we will subtract the x coordinates, x2 and x1. Difference of x2 and x1 will be written, its square will be taken, plus distance of y coordinates y2 minus y1 whole square will be taken. Then they will be added and their square root will be the distance of these 2 points. For example, if there are 2 points, if P point having the coordinates 3 and 4 and coordinate Q having point Q having coordinates 1 and 5, then distance between these 2 points will be like this. x2, this is x2 and this is x1. So 1 minus 3, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 5 and y1 is 4. 5 minus 4 whole square equals to minus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square. Now the distance between P and Q will be minus 2 whole square equals to 4 and 1 whole square is equals to 1. So distance between these 2 points will be under root 5 units. It means 5 under root units is the distance between these 2 points. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020. Our topic is coordinate geometry. Exercise 9.1, question number 2 is, let P be the point on x-axis with x coordinate A and Q be the point on y-axis with y coordinate B, as given in the question. Find distance between P and Q. Look at this plane, Cartesian plane. It is x-axis and y-axis. According to question, this is point P on x-axis. As you know that a point having two coordinates, x and y coordinate. This is x coordinate. At x coordinate it is a and y coordinate is 0, because it is, this point is on the x-axis, and you know if point lie on the x-axis, it means y coordinate is 0 here, and if the point is lying on the y-axis, then x coordinate is this, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b. Here in this question, y coordinate is b and x coordinate is 0, because on y-axis x coordinate will be 0. Is it clear? इसका मतलब ये है बेटा कि अगर कोई पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस पर लाई करता है एग्जैक्टली एक्स एक्सिस पर, तो वहाँ वाई एक्सिस जो होगा, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट जो होगा वो 0 होगा, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट तो कुछ ना कुछ होगा, जैसे एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ए दिया हुआ है और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा यहाँ ज़ीरो होता है। और अगर कोई पॉइंट वाई एक्सिस पर लाई करता है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि उसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट तो है मौजूद, बट उसका सॉरी वाई कोऑर्डिनेट तो है लेकिन उसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ज़ीरो होगा। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम इन्हें इस क्वेश्चन में समझेंगे। नाउ इन पार्ट नंबर 1, a is equals to 9. A is the coordinate of point P and B is the coordinate of point Q. This is the coordinate X and this is coordinate Y. Y for point Q and P and X coordinate A equals to 9 for point P. The condition of point P and Q will be like this. X coordinate is A here, Y coordinate should be B, but Y coordinate is not present, so Y on the place of Y coordinate we will write here 0. If we write here X and Y, it is very clear. For X coordinate there is A, but for Y coordinate there is nothing, so it is 0. In point Q, X coordinate is 0 and Y coordinate is B. So we will start the finding distance between P and Q. So PQ distance will be equals to, we will write here formula x2 minus x1 whole square, this is the distance formula, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now PQ distance will be equals to, here x coordinate is A but y coordinate is 0. Oh sorry, x2 is 0, x2 is this is x2 and y2, x1 and y1, this is first point and second. So x2 is 0 and x1 is A, plus y2 is here B and y1 is 0. So distance will be minus A whole square plus B whole square. It is equals to A square plus B square under root. So PQ distance will be equals to this. Part number D. If point A having coordinates minus 4 and under root 2, point B having coordinates minus 4 and minus 3. We will write the formula for distance for finding the distance between A and B. AB distance will be equals to x2 minus x1 whole square minus y plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In this question, coordinate of A are x1, y1. These are x2, y2. बेटा हम अपनी सहूलत के लिए ना इनको नेम दे देते हैं, इस तरह से ना आपको आसानी होगी फार्मूला यूज़ करने में। इसको हमने नेम कर दिया x1 का, इसे हमने y1, इसे x2, इसे y2। अब हम फार्मूला में इनकी वैल्यूज़ पुट करते हैं। x2 इज इक्वल्स टू -4 minus x1 is -4 again. Look carefully, यहाँ बेटा साइन यूज़ हो रहा है, ये -4 x2 के लिए है, फिर माइनस फॉर्मूले से लिया और अगेन -4 इज़ फॉर x1 सॉरी। ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा साइन यूज़ हो रहे हैं इसलिए आप इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा। y2 इज़ -3 प्लस माइनस √2 whole square. Now -4 minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus -3 and minus √2 whole square equals to -4 plus 4 0 plus -3 minus √ whole square. Now it is 0, so only value remains minus 3 minus under root 2 whole square. It is according to formula, it becomes minus 3 minus 2 under root whole square. It will be cancelled by root. So only minus 3 minus under root 2 is the distance between these 2 points. So only this is the आंसर. यहाँ बेटा ये जो स्क्वायर है इसका होल स्क्वायर रह गया था, ये इस स्क्वायर रूट्स के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा और हमारे पास सिर्फ -3 माइनस अंडर रूट 2 ये इसका आंसर रह जाएगा. हम लिख देंगे -3 - 2 अंडर रूट यूनिट्स. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए बी पॉइंट्स. डिस्टेंस को हम इस तरह से शो करते हैं. ए बी ये 2 बार्स लगाते हैं और ये हम उसके लाइन सेगमेंट को शो करते हैं, क्योंकि आपको पता है ना यहाँ अगर ए यहाँ बी है तो ये लाइन सेगमेंट बनता है, इसलिए हम इस पे लाइन सेगमेंट का साइन शो करते हैं. और यहाँ हम डिस्टेंस को इस तरह से इन 2 बार्स के साथ जैसे डिटर्मिनेंट लिखते थे वैसे हम इसको शो करेंगे. समझ नहीं आ रही. 3 a is equals to -8 and b is equals to 6. So point P will be x1 y1 q x2 y2. For x1 there is a, y1 is 0. For q point x2 is 0, y2 is b. And a is -8 where y is 0, b is 0. For point q there is 0 first coordinate and second coordinate b is 6. So we'll find the distance of PQ. We write here the distance formula plus y2 minus y1 whole square and then put the values. x2 is 0 minus x1 is 8 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 0 whole square is equals to 0 plus minus minus plus 8 whole square plus 6 whole square root 8 square plus 6 square root equals to 64 plus 36 square root. It is equals to 100 square root, which is equals to 10. So distance of PQ is equals to 10.